If you have drains in your facility that don't get used often, chances are you're noticing a horrible smell coming from them. If the water in a drain evaporates, sewer gases travel back up through the pipe and into your business. You could simply run water down the drain or use mineral oil for a temporary fix, but for the longest lasting, strongest solution, you'll need Shut Your Trap. Shut Your Trap contains SE500 odor neutralizing technology, as well as a wintergreen scent, to release pleasant smells by floating on the surface and trapping the sewer gas below sink level. Even if conditions displace Shut Your Trap, it always rises to the top. Strong odors from sewers can waft throughout a building and cause complaints or even loss of revenue. Shut Your Trap is great for schools, apartments, hotels, and just about any building with an unused drain. To keep your business flowing smoothly, use a high-performance solution like Shut Your Trap. Don't waste your time and money on low-strength products. Get your business the solutions it needs by visiting www.stateindustrial.com and checking out Shut Your Trap.